Good morning dear students. Today we'll be doing our chapter number 6 fractions. In today's class we'll be studying addition of mixed number. Students, in the first class I have discussed to you what is fraction, what are the different types of a fraction. In that I have discussed about the mixed number. What are the mixed number? The mixed number, it contains one whole number is there. In this 3 is the whole number, in this 4 is the whole number, and the another number, it is the fraction. Here 1/4 is the fraction, here half is the fraction. So how to add this mixed number? Let us do this. In order to add the mixed number, what you have to do? The number 3 and 4, this will be writing separately. 3 and 4 I have written here separately, and then you will be writing, you will be putting the sign of plus, and this two fractions you will be writing in bracket. 1/4 plus 1/2. You will be writing this inside the brackets. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus you will be solving this fractions as we have solved. We have done the addition of the fraction. So how you will be adding this two fraction? First of all, you will be finding the LCM of 4 and 2. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 you will be multiplying this with the 1, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here is 1, you will be multiplying it with the 1. So what you get here is 7 plus, if you add this 1 plus 1, here you get 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, you will be getting 3/4. So just put off this bracket now, and you can write this fraction as 7 3/4. This will be your final answer. So how to do the addition of the mixed number? The mixed number, it contains a number, and the another, it contains the fraction. So first of all, in order to add the mixed number, you will be adding this whole number. 3 and 4 you will be writing separately, plus in brackets you will be writing 1/4 plus this half. Now the addition of the fraction we have done in the previous exercise, that is exercise 6b, we have done the addition of the fraction. How we have done the addition? First of all, we will be finding the LCM of the denominator. So the LCM of the denominator, 4 and 2 is 4. 4, when you divide 4 with 4, you will be getting 1. You will be multiplying this with the numerator. Again you have to put the sign of plus. 4 divided by 2 is 2, multiplied by the numerator. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3/4. So our answer will be 7 3/4. Now let us do for the another fraction. Let us do one more example. What is given in the question? We have to add 3/4 plus 5 1/6 plus 2 1/12. We have to add this 3. So first of all, what we will be doing? 5 and 2, the whole number you will be writing separately. So I will be writing here 5 plus 2, this I will be writing separately, and in brackets I will be writing the fractions. So what is the first fraction? 3/4. I have written 3/4 plus 1/6 plus 1/12. Now you have to find the LCM. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus, find the LCM. We have to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 3, here comes the 2. So what is the LCM? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So if you multiply all these numbers, you will be getting here 12. Here this 2 will not come. You will be getting here the LCM as the 12. So I will be writing here 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then you will be multiplying it with the numerator plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. You will be multiplying it with the numerator plus 12 divided by 12 is 1 multiplied by 1. Now let us solve this. 7 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 plus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 upon 12. So 7 plus, what do you get? 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 upon 12. So it get cancelled. So I will be writing here 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 8 is our final answer. So let us revise this question. Here you have to add these 3 fractions. First is 3 by 4, 5, 1 upon 6 plus 2, 1 upon 12. So first of all you will be writing these 2 whole numbers separately. 5 plus 2 I have written separately. In brackets you will be writing this fraction, this one and this fraction. I have written the 3 fractions in brackets. Then you will be finding the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. The LCM I have done here in the rough space. The LCM is 12. Now you have to divide the 12 with 4. It comes 3. Then you have to multiply it with the numerator plus. Again you have to divide 12 with 6. So we get 2. Multiply by this numerator 1 plus 12 divided by 12, that is 1. Multiply by this numerator 1. I have written as it is 7 plus in brackets 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 1s are 1. 7 plus, if we add this 3 number, will be getting 12 upon 12. So if I cancel it, I will be getting 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So in today's class we have learned how to add the mixed number. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.